SSRM is a mode mainly used to study the electrical properties of semiconductor cross-sections, which can be measured in a vacuum to prevent oxidation after removing the oxide film on the sample. The conductive cantilever is brought into contact with the sample, and a voltage is applied between the cantilever and the sample. The cantilever strongly presses the sample surface, penetrates the oxide layer on the surface, then makes ohmic contacts. It comprehensively measures electrical properties such as current and resistance, as well as topography. The part with a high resistance does not allow current to flow easily, and the part with a low resistance allows for easy current flow. These electrical characteristics are observed through current and resistance images.